Hi, I'm looking for Ray Finkel and a clean pair of shorts. Hey, maybe I'll give you a call sometime. Your number's still 911? Oh, righty then. Take care now. Bye-bye then. Loser.
Did you have any trouble getting in?
No, the guy with the rubber glove was surprisingly gentle. Roger Predactor didn't commit suicide. He was murdered.
Dan Marino should die of gonorrhea and rot in hell. Would you like a cookie, son?
Cozy if you're Hannibal Lecter.
You'd do anything to embarrass me in front of camp.
What? Like this?
I'd like to ask you a few questions.
I have exorcised the demons. Excuse me, it's Greg here. Thank you.